Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple and super quick earring pattern that's perfect for any skill level. Let's get started. These are the materials I've used in the tutorial, and if you want to purchase any of them, you can check out the links in the description box below. Now let's see how to make it. First, I'm going to wrap the yarn around my index finger 5 times, like this. And then we have a ring like this, and we are going to work into the ring. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we will get started with the first round. There we are going to work single crochets into the ring. So insert the hook into the ring to make the first single crochet. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the single crochet. Again, this is the second one. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 single crochets. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Like that, we are going to continue making single crochets all around. So the number of single crochets are going to be differ according to the ring you have made. Over here in this one, I'm making 26 single crochets all around the ring. Now I have completed 26 single crochets all around the ring, and then we are going to join the round by working a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. So insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed our first round. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. After that, we can use the yarn needle to hide the tails like this. Now we have completed our first round. Before we continue, I wanted to take a moment to share something special with you all. I've just launched my Patreon page. If you have been enjoying my tutorials and want to support the channel, Patreon is a wonderful way to do that. By joining, you will get exclusive access to crochet patterns and early access to my videos before they go live here on YouTube. Plus, it's a great way for us to connect and grow as a crochet community. You can find the link to my Patreon in the description box below. Your support truly means the world to me, and it helps me creating more fun and creative crochet projects for you. Now let's get back to the work. I'm going to join a new color in round 2. First of all, insert the hook into any of the stitches like this, and then we will pull the new color yarn through the stitch, and then we will work over the tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Now we need to chain 2, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain, and then work a double crochet into the same base stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the base stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. Again, work another double crochet into the next stitch over here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. And then chain 2, 1 and 2. Then work a slip stitch into the very same stitch. So insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the first petal of the round. And then we will just repeat the pattern and complete the second petal here. So we are going to go into the next stitch and work a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. That slip stitch moved the loop into the next stitch and then chain 2, 1 and 2. And work a double crochet into the very same stitch. And then work another double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2, 1 and 2 and work a slip stitch into the same stitch again. With that we have completed the second petal as well. And then we will go into the next stitch and work a slip stitch to start with the third petal. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now chain 2, 1 and 2 and work a double crochet into the same stitch. Now work a double crochet into the very next stitch. Chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the same stitch again. Now we have completed 3 petals over here. I'm going to complete another 3 petals just like the same. So repeat the process and complete 3 more petals. Now I have completed all 6 petals over here. And then leave a little tail for sewing and you can cut the yarn off. Now we will use our yarn needle to hide the tail. With that we have completed the crochet part of the earring. We have to make 2 of these pieces to complete the pair. And then I will show you how to attach the pieces together to complete the earring. First of all, take the eye pin and slide the bead into the eye pin. And then we will create another loop on the other side of the bead like this. And then I'm going to slide the hook ear wire into one of the loops and secure that like this. And then we will take the jump ring, open it up using the pliers and insert it to the stitch here, and then we will join the other piece also by using the pliers and secure the jump ring. And then we can just repeat the process and complete the other earring as well. And that's it, a quick and easy pair of crochet earrings ready to wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crochet fun. Also be sure to check out my Patreon for exclusive patterns. See you in the next video.